Now today some board type question on aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. The board type some question practice on aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. First write complete the following equation. Complete the following equation. Number 1, CH3CHO arrow উপরে HCN, number 1 আর number 2 water H plus, number 2 CH3 CHOH CH3 arrow উপরে copper 573 Kelvin, number 3 CH3 CO CH3 concentrated sulfuric acid or reflux, number 4 CH3 CH3 CO Cl plus hydrogen arrow উপরে PD BaSO4, number 5 CH3CN SnCl2 HCl water H plus, number 6 CH3 CH2 COOH arrow উপরে red phosphorus or chlorine, and number 7 C6H5CHO concentrated NaOH, number 8 CH3CHO dilute NaOH. You have to complete the following reaction. These are very important reaction. Most of them are name reaction or very important reaction. Yes, can you tell what will be the answer of the first compound? Hello student, can you tell what will be answer of first compound? Acetaldehyde reacts with HCl and the product is hydrolyzed. Acetaldehyde reacts with hydrogen cyanide and product is hydrolyzed. What will be the product? What will be the ultimate product? Anyone? Hello? Name the product form after hydrolysis. First, it undergo a nucleophilic addition reaction to form cyanohydrin. It first forms cyanohydrin CH3CHOH CN. When it reacts with HCN, it forms cyanohydrin. This cyanohydrin on hydrolysis, CN group is converted to COOH. So this is known as lactic acid. So final product is lactic acid. Acetaldehyde when reacts with HCN, it undergo nucleophilic addition reaction to form cyanohydrin. This cyanohydrin on hydrolysis gives lactic acid. Second one, this is isopropyl alcohol or propan-2-ol, isopropyl alcohol or propan-2-ol. This isopropyl alcohol when heated with copper, it undergo dehydrogenation, that is elimination of hydrogen molecule to form ketone. So product is CH3CO CH3 plus hydrogen, CH3CO CH3 plus hydrogen. Third one, acetone is refluxed with concentrated sulfuric acid. When acetone is refluxed with concentrated sulfuric acid, then 3 molecule acetone condense to form 1,3,5-trimethyl benzene, which is known as mesitylene. So 3 molecule acetone condense to form this product. benzene ring, here CH3, here CH3, here CH3. This is known as 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene or mesitylene, MESITYLENE, mesitylene. It's very important condensation product of acetaldehyde. Here, acetyl chloride reduced by hydrogen in presence of PD and BSO4. Can you tell the name reaction? Reduction of acetyl chloride by molecular hydrogen in presence of palladium and BSO4. Can you tell the name reaction of this reaction? What is the name reaction? Hello student, anyone? What is the name reaction? This is known as Rosenmund reduction, ROSCNMUND, Rosenmund reduction, and it forms an aldehyde. The product is CH3CHO plus HCl, CH3CHO plus HCl. Any type of acid chloride when reduced by molecular hydrogen in presence of PD and BSO4, it always forms aldehyde, and this type of reduction is known as Rosenmund reduction. The next one, methyl cyanide treated with tannous chloride HCl, and then the product is hydrolyzed. This is also an important name reaction. This name reaction is known as Stephen reduction, STEPHEN, Stephen reduction, and ultimate product is aldehyde, CH3CHO plus ammonia molecule is formed. This is known as Stephen reduction. Now next one, propanoic acid heated with red phosphorus and chlorine. This is also important name reaction. The alpha hydrogen atom replaced by halogen when it is treated with halogen in presence of red phosphorus, and this is known as HVZ reaction, Hale-Volhard-Jelinek reaction, Hale-Volhard-Jelinek reaction. This hydrogen atom replaced by halogen to form CH3, CH, Cl, COOH, 2-chloro-propanoic acid. Concentrated NaOH, benzaldehyde is heated with concentrated NaOH. This is also a name reaction. You know benzaldehyde have no alpha hydrogen atom. So aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen atom, when heated with concentrated alkali, it undergoes self-reduction and oxidation to form alcohol and acid, and the reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. So product is an alcohol, CH2OH, benzyl alcohol, and an acid, sodium benzoate, COONA. Self-reduction, aldehyde is reduced to alcohol and one molecule is oxidized to sodium formate. Acetaldehyde treated with dilute NaOH. You know acetaldehyde have alpha hydrogen atom. Those aldehyde which have alpha hydrogen atom, when treated with dilute alkali or acid, they undergo aldol condensation. So two molecule acetaldehyde condense to form CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO, 3-hydroxybutanol, 3-hydroxybutanol. So these are some important name reaction also. This is known as aldol condensation. This is called Cannizzaro reaction. This is Hale-Volhard-Jelinek reaction. This is Stephen reduction, and this is Rosenmund reduction. Any problem? Hello student, about this? Any problem about this? So write the answer. Then next type of question. All of you have written the answer. All of you has written the answer. Hello. Next, convert the following. Convert the following. Convert the following. Conversion, this is also very important type of reaction. Conversion number 1, formaldehyde to ethanol. Number 2, ethanol to but 2 in 1L. Number 3, acetic acid to acetone. Acetic acid to acetone. Number 4, benzoic acid to benzaldehyde. Number 5, acetone to propene. Number 6, ethanol to but 1,4 dioic acid. Number 7, carbon dioxide to benzoic acid. And number 8, acetone to alpha methyl lactic acid. You have to do the following conversion: formaldehyde to ethanol, ethanol to but 2 in 1L, acetic acid to acetone, benzoic acid to benzaldehyde, acetone to propene, ethanol to but 1,4 dioic acid, carbon dioxide to benzoic acid, and acetone to alpha methyl lactic acid. First write the question. All of you first write the question. Now see, first one answer. What is the formula of formaldehyde? HCHO. You have to convert ethanol. 1 carbon, you have to increase. Reacts with Grignard reagent. CH3MgBr. What will be product? CH3OMgBr. Addition compound. This on hydrolysis. This here hydrolysis takes place to form CH3CH2OH plus MgOH-Br. This is ethanol, CH3CH2OH. So when you want to increase the carbon atom, that is step of reaction, either you react with Grignard reagent if it is aldehyde and ketone. If it is alkyl halide, then reacts either treatment of Wurtz reaction or treated with alkyl potassium cyanide. Okay. So this is formaldehyde to ethanol. Any problem? Hello student, formaldehyde to ethanol. Have you understood it? Any problem? Now next, ethanol to but 2 in L. Ethanol to but 2 in L. What is the formula of ethanol? C2H5OH, but 2 in L, that is carbon number 2. So you have to double the carbon number 2 to 4. Carbon number double either Varsh reaction or aldol condensation. Since it is an aldol product, so you first convert into aldehyde. Copper and 573 Kelvin, it form aldehyde CH3CHO. Now treat with dilute NaOH. Aldol condensation, what will be product? 2 molecule condense CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. 3 hydroxy butanal, 2 molecule condense to form aldol. Now this is heated in presence of dry HCl. Elimination of water molecule to form CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. This is the but 2 in 1L. So first you convert alcohol to aldehyde, then undergo aldol condensation in presence of dilute NaOH. Okay. This is the ethanol to but 2 in 1L. Now next question number 3. Acetic acid to acetone. What is the formula of acetic acid? CH3COOH. Reacts with calcium hydroxide. It is the acid, it is the base. So they react together to form salt. CH3COO whole to Ca. Calcium acetate. CH3COO whole to Ca, calcium acetate. This calcium acetate undergo dry distillation. Dry distillation means heat in absence of air. It forms acetone CH3CO CH3 plus calcium carbonate. So acetic acid first reacts with base calcium hydroxide to form calcium acetate. This calcium acetate on dry distillation or on heating give acetone. Okay. Now next one, number 4, benzoic acid to benzaldehyde. What is the formula of benzoic acid? Benzene ring COOH, benzoic acid. This benzoic acid when treated with PCl5, it forms benzoyl chloride, benzene ring COCl. Now you have to produce aldehyde. This is the acid chloride. So it undergo Rosenman reduction. What will be Rosenman reduction? Hydrogen gas in presence of PD/BaSO4. What will be product? Benzaldehyde, benzene ring benzene ring CHO plus HCl. This is the benzaldehyde. So you take the benzoic acid, reacts with PCl5 to form benzoyl chloride C6H5COCl. This benzoyl chloride on a reduction with hydrogen and PD and BaSO4 give benzaldehyde. First write the answer. All of you write the answer in your copy. Now next one, acetone to propene. Propene, acetone. What is the formula of acetone? CH3CO CH3. Propene, that is a double bond. You first reduce to alcohol by say lithium aluminum hydride reduction. What will be product? CH3 CHOH CH3. Reduction propan to all or isopropyl alcohol. Now heat with concentrated sulfuric acid heat. Eliminate one molecule water because it is dehydrating agent to form CH3 CH double bond CH2. plus water. This is the propene. So acetone when reduced by lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, it forms isopropyl alcohol, that is propan-2-ol. This propan-2-ol on heating with concentrated sulfuric acid eliminate one molecule water to form propene. So this is the formula of propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Now next one, number 6, ethanal to but 1,4-dioic acid. What is the formula of ethanal? CH3CHO, ethanal, but 1,4-dioic acid, that is the carbon number double and 2 COOH group. You first convert into alcohol. তাহলে lithium aluminum hydride reduction. What will be product? CH3CH2OH. Now heat with concentrated sulfuric acid 170 degree centigrade, and alkene is formed, CH2 double bond CH2. Elimination of water molecule from alcohol. This alkene undergo addition reaction, say bromine, CCl4, bromine. Then what will be product? CH2Br, single bond CH2Br. The single bond, and here Br added, addition reaction. Now treated with alcoholic KCN, potassium cyanide. The Br is replaced by Cn. Then what will be product? CH2Cn, CH2Cn. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bromine is replaced by Cn. This Cn then reacts with hydrolysis, water H plus. Cn is converted to COOH. Then CH2COOH bond CH2COOH. This is known as but 1,2,3,4 but 1,4-dioic acid. This is known as but 1,4-dioic acid. Hello student, understood? This is a multi-step reaction, but important reaction. Aldehyde first reduced to alcohol, then alcohol when heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, it undergo dehydration to form alkene, then alkene add bromine to form a addition product, then nucleophilic substitution reaction by alcoholic KCN followed by hydrolysis. Hello, any problem about this? Hello, এটা বেশি নেমে গেছে না, এটা এখানে এটা করা ছিল না, এই পর্যন্ত করে রাখতে হবে। So this is the ethanal to but 1,4-dioic acid. This is ethanal, starting from ethanal and ultimately got but 1,4-dioic acid. Now carbon dioxide to benzoic acid. This is the carbon dioxide, reacts with phenyl magnesium bromide, a Grignard reagent, C6H5MgBr. What will be product? See that this here, this is negative, this will be positive, this is negative, this is positive. So attack carbon here, C double bond C here, C6H5 here, OMgBr, addition compound. Carbon dioxide add one molecule Grignard reagent to form an addition compound which on hydrolysis OMgBr converted to OH, C6H5COOH, benzoic acid plus MgOH-Br. This is known as benzoic acid. This is known as benzoic acid. So when you have to prepare any carboxylic acid from carbon dioxide, you choose a suitable Grignard reagent. The alkyl group of Grignard reagent correspond to the alkyl group of carboxylic acid. And last one, acetone to alpha methyl lactic acid. Question number 8. Question number 8, acetone. What is the formula? CH3COCH3. Alpha methyl lactic acid undergo addition reaction with HCN. So this will be here negative. this is positive, negative, Cn minus H plus, this negative attacks this carbon. The product is CH3, Cn, OH, CH3. This is known as acetone cyanohydrine. This is addition compound known as acetone cyanohydrine. This on hydrolysis, Cn is converted to COOH, CH3, COOH, CH3OH. This is known as alpha methyl lactic acid. This is known as alpha methyl lactic acid. Alpha methyl lactic acid. Any problem about this conversion? Hello student. Any problem about this conversion? So write the answer first, then I will tell another type of question. Mainly the board type question today I discuss on the chapter aldehyde and ketone. Now another type of question, write how will you distinguish, how will you distinguish between the following pairs? How will you chemically distinguish? Chemically distinguish between the following pair. Chemically distinguish number 1 formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Number 2 acetaldehyde and acetone. Number 3 acetaldehyde and acetic acid. Number 4 pentan 3-one and pentan 2-one. Number 5 formic acid and acetic acid. And number 6 acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Acetaldehyde and chemically how will you distinguish between the following pairs of compound? So you have to mention one chemical reaction by which we can distinguish between them. For example, say first one, formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde have a ketomethyl group, CH3CO group. So when heated with iodine and NaOH, acetaldehyde give yellow precipitate of iodoform, but formaldehyde does not respond to this reaction. So acetaldehyde and formaldehyde can be distinguished by using iodoform test. That is, when heated with I2 and NaOH, a yellow precipitate is formed in case of acetaldehyde, but formaldehyde does not give any precipitate. Next, aldehyde and ketone both have ketomethyl group, so they cannot be distinguished by iodoform test, but aldehyde give a Tollens reagent set. So when heated with Tollens reagent, acetaldehyde give a silver mirror precipitate, acetone does not respond to this reaction. So we can distinguish between aldehyde and ketone either by Tollens reagent or by failing solution. When heated with failing solution, acetaldehyde give a red precipitate. Acetaldehyde and acetic acid, this is acid. So when reacts with sodium bicarbonate solution, effervescence of CO2 gas. But here no effervescence of CO2 gas with sodium bicarbonate solution. Pentan 3-one and pentan 2-one. Pentan 2-one have a ketomethyl group, CH3CO, but pentan 3-one have no ketomethyl group. So pentan 2-one respond iodoform test, it does not respond iodoform test. formic acid and acetic acid. Among all carboxylic acid, formic acid only have reducing character. So when heated with Tollens reagent or failing solution, it gives silver mirror precipitate or red precipitate, but acetic acid does not respond to this reaction. And last one, acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde, it has a ketomethyl group, so it gives iodoform test, it does not give iodoform test. Or when heated with failing solution, it gives red precipitate, but benzaldehyde does not give failing test. So these are the chemically distinguished. You must mention any chemical reaction by which we can distinguish between these following pairs of reaction. Okay, student, any problem? Hello? Any problem about this? So in the next class, I will discuss another type of question, mainly the board question on aldehyde and ketone.